Ever feel like coffee just isn't enough to wake you up? Let's try something different for real, lasting energy. Here's what you'll need: banana, blueberries, matcha, almond butter, almond milk, and vanilla extract. This smoothie is packed with natural energy to power your morning. Notice the difference? No more caffeine crashes, just steady, natural energy. Let's power up with real ingredients: banana, blueberries, matcha, almond butter, almond milk, and vanilla extract. Banana adds natural sweetness and a boost of potassium. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants to support your morning. Matcha delivers calm, steady energy. No jitters, no crash. Almond butter brings healthy fats for lasting fullness. Almond milk keeps it creamy and dairy-free. A splash of vanilla for that extra wow factor. Everything's ready. Let's blend up some energy. Just add everything to your blender: banana, blueberries, almond butter, matcha, almond milk, and vanilla. Blend until creamy and smooth. Look at that color. Let's look at the science behind these ingredients and how they naturally boost your energy and focus. Unlike coffee's quick spike and crash, matcha gives you a gentler, longer-lasting energy boost without the jitters. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants that help sharpen memory and support brain health. Studies show these ingredients can keep you alert for up to 6 hours without the crash. Now, pour your smoothie and enjoy that first sip. Creamy, refreshing, and packed with natural energy. See the difference? Swap your coffee for this smoothie and feel the instant energy upgrade. Explore more energizing recipes and healthy ideas on our channel. Hit subscribe for more energizing recipes and tips to power up your mornings. Cheers to bright mornings and a more energized you.